Making money online is not only one strategy, but then you have to start with different strategies. This gives me the opportunity to help you make money with different platforms and different strategies here. So if you know Adsterra, if you know Monetag, if you know hip hop arts, and if you know any kind of making money with advertising or publishing, today you are in with Hilltop Arts. So Hilltop Arts is just like Monetag or it's just like Adsterra. So if you know both of them, then basically this one is also going to help you make money online. All what I do on my YouTube channel here is to make money with you guys. Aside that, nothing else. So kindly subscribe to any of my videos here, watch any of the videos here, subscribe to this channel, please, and please again kindly subscribe, and that keeps me moving in most of my videos. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new content just like this. You can also join my Telegram and my WhatsApp pages. Both the link can be found under the description of this particular video, so you can join me out there as we are all making money together. So first of all you have to do is to just open a Hilltop app. Okay, so if you don't have the Hilltop, you can simply go online to search in for Hilltop Arts. So this is Hilltop Arts. Okay, Hilltop Art. So Hilltop, as I said, is just like Adsterra and Monetag. So you are simply going to log in or sign up an account and start making money with Hilltop Ad. So as you come here you have the publisher. You can sign up as a publisher, as an advertiser. You have the ad formats. If you want to run an ad, you can do so with Popounder and anything. I've made a lot of videos on how you can run ads on different platforms. You have the free source. So you also have the languages if you want to choose for any languages you prefer, the login button and the sign up button here. So here are some of the advantages of a publisher. Here are some of the advantages of advertiser. So what we are going to focus on here is to sign up an account. So which of them are you going in for? Are you going in for a publisher or advertiser? But for this video, I'm going in for a publisher because I'm mostly making videos on how I publish my links to make money online. So what name do you want to use? I would like to use Mr. Henry. Okay, Mr. Henry here. All right, and I'll enter my valid email, which is going to serve as a verification to my email account. So make sure you have to give out a valid email account. All right, and enter your password. So once you enter your password, please click on I agree and accept with the terms and conditions and click on sign up. Once you sign up an account, this is basically, let me log into my account in order for us to know where we are landing. All right, so once you just log into your account, this is the landing page that we are going to land, as you can see on the screen. So this is the landing page for you, but then you have to verify your email. So please, as you're providing your email, make sure to provide a valid email to get to your website. Okay, so go and verify there before you come back here. So this is the dashboard here. You can see my publisher balance. This is of course a fresh and a new account. This is my account ID. I don't know if I'm to show this. So this is a contact your manager. Okay, so in case you want to contact a manager for any security reasons or any confirmation, please, you can go ahead and click on that. You can also change your language and also sign up, log out if you want to just go out from this website. All right, so let me take you through how you can make money online with this. But the most exciting thing is this actually pays you every week. So once you want to make a withdrawal, you can do that every week, either TRC, either paper, either any format that you want to make money or you want to cash out money or withdraw money out from here. They are going to do it on every week. Unlike Adsterra, sometimes you have to request for withdrawal and then have to wait for a couple of 2 good weeks before you can make withdrawal out from Adsterra. So but for Hilltop Arts, it's just 1 week and the minimum withdrawal is 20 USDT, just as that, 20 USDT. Charlie, this is very cool and I love this particular website. So you can go ahead, if these offers are interesting for you, you can go ahead and add it to either Monetag or Adsterra if you're earning from any of them. So here you have the statistics, you have the manager site and zone, the payout. So let's go to the statistic aspect here. Now, once you get to the statistic here the statistic is basically when you start making earnings or when you start bringing traffic to your website. That is when you can start making or tracking your statistics. Okay, I've talked about traffics in my recent video, so you can go ahead, watch any of my videos and get the understanding of traffics. You know, we have the free traffic and the paid traffic. I have explained everything in most of my videos that I've just made about Adsterra and Monetag. So you can go ahead and check it out there and watch those videos. So statistics is basically when you start making money and you start sending traffics to this website. That is when you are going to track your statistic or your traffics to on this particular page here. All right, this is very simple, guys. So the next thing you have to do here is to click on manage site and zones. Once you click on manage sites and zones, here is going to give you the opportunity to start making money with either your website or your direct link. Now, in case you want to add or you want to input in a direct link or you want to request in for a direct link, you can simply go ahead and click on direct link. You can also add website too. So let's click on add direct link. Once you click on direct link here, they are giving out some information that we do not recommend you to resell traffic from other advertising networks. Okay, so to earn money by using direct link, please monetize your social network groups or websites to earn more. So that is basically some information they are trying to give out to their people or their customers out here. So now, direct link. What name do you want to name your direct link depending on where you are sending your direct link for traffic? So in case I'm sending this direct link to TikTok, okay, so you can, maybe you are sending it to Facebook, you are sending this direct link to Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, anywhere. But then I would like to take in this direct link to my TikTok account. Now, the second thing I have to do here is the category. Unlike Adsterra or unlike Monetag, once you request in for a link, Monetag is going to give you the link directly. They are directly going to give you the link without asking you for either adult content or non-adult content. But Adsterra is going to give you either adult content or non-adult content. Unlike here, it's mainstream and non-mainstream. Basically, what the mainstream simply means is mainstream is with the ads with non-adult content. Okay, that is the mainstream. So ads with non-adult content, and the non-mainstream is the ads with adult content. That is basically the two difference between the mainstream and the non-mainstream. So once I click on mainstream, so maybe I'm in for mainstream, and then I like to input in as a TikTok. All right, so that's basically what you have to know here. All right, good. So once you do that, you click on add direct link. Click on add direct link. So this is going to give you a direct link instantly. Unlike Adsterra, they are going to tell you your direct link will be pending for some couple of seconds before they give you your direct link. So this is going to give you a direct link. So this is currently my direct link. Let me try to zoom in. All right, so you can see that this is my direct link TikTok, and this is my direct link. Okay, so you can see I have created a direct link which is going to focus on TikTok. Okay, now how do I copy my direct link? Once you want to copy a direct link, all you have to do is to just click on direct link. Once you click on direct link, you click on the URL here, and you can see it is copied out here. Okay, that is simply how you can copy a direct link. So once you are ready, click on URL and then it will get copied. Okay, that is simply how you can copy your direct link. Now, in case you want to add a website to this particular any of your trafficking source, you want to add a website or want to send your link or you want to connect your website to this particular website or this particular platform, all you have to do is to just click on add website. Once you click on add website, you enter your website name. So maybe Henry Blog. All right, so I like to say henryblog.com. Okay, henryblog.com. So it's here for you to add either mainstream or non-mainstream. Okay, so I like to say mainstream and click on add. Once I click on add, it is basically going to add it to my, so you see this is valid domain. So let's say okay, so make sure that you have a correct domain. Okay, so make sure that you have a correct domain. All right, so currently I'm not running any website, but then I can try a little bit here and check it out. Currently I'm not running any website. Okay guys, I'm not running any website because linking my website to a direct link here does not give me much impressions. I don't get the impressions much from Adsterra and Monetag, but I think that will be the same with this. Mostly I use my direct link to make money. I don't use the website because the website does not give me much impressions because I have low traffics out there. Okay, so I'll recommend you use the direct link if you already have a direct link approach, or if you have any traffic source, you can use the direct link, unlike the website. Okay, good. So the next thing you have to do here is to just click on my account. Here we're going to see your profile name and other stuff. So this is my profile name, the email I used, and then let's go to the payment aspect here. That's the most interesting thing. So we have a lot of payment method. You have the Bitcoin, you have the capitalists. I don't know that of capitalists though. You have the Pazum, you have the PayPal, you have the USDT, you have the USDT ERC20. You also have the USDT TRC20. You have the web money, the wire transfer, and Wise. Okay, so as I said, the minimum withdrawal is 20. All right, so once you just give out a minimum withdrawal of 20, you are good to go for any amount of withdrawal. Maybe it's just recently they've just added some minimum withdrawal threshold, which is giving us a minimum withdrawal of 50 USDT. Okay, so once you request for an amount of any you prefer, they will just give out your money for you. So you want to change your password, you can go ahead and change it. You want to check out the account security, you can also go ahead and check out your account security. Now, in case you have any questions or anything concerning this particular platform, all you have to do is just click on FAQ. Okay, so FAQ is going to give you everything about this particular website. So the first one is how to sell traffic, how to set up an ad zone on my website, payment options and time scale, how can I withdraw my income, what is the minimum payout, how much time does Hilltop ask to approve my website, how to monetize my Facebook community, how to monetize. It's a lot. So anything you have to ask. So let's say I want to, how can I withdraw my income? So it say our payment options are Bitcoin, capitalized, Pazum, PayPal, wire transfer, EP services, and a lot. So in order to, what's the minimum payout? In order to receive your payment, you need to earn minimum amount of money considering a 7-day hold. All right. So as I said, it's just 1 week. Within 1 week, they're going to send you your money. It's just every 1 week you can make money, or you can read, unlike Adsterra, which is going to take you for basically 2 good weeks. So it says that capitalist, Pazum GB, PayPal, web money, Wise, the minimum payout is $20 cool, but for USDT the minimum is 50. As I said earlier, the minimum for the capitalist and the others is 20, but for USDT it's 50. So how much time does it take? So after you have installed the code on the website, it's automatically that if you're interested in adding website, that is how you have to go by it. Okay, so the next thing is the referral program. So you can refer others to earn something. As an advertiser, you're going to earn 5.0%. As a publisher, you're also going to earn 5.0% out from this. So all you have to do is to just copy your link and share it with others. This is very simple, guys. So if you're interested in this, if you're interested in Hilltop, as you can make money just as you are making money on Adsterra and also that of Monetag as well. Guys, this is very simple as well. So I hope you found this particular content very interesting. In order for me to give you much update on how you can make money online, please don't forget to give me a thumb like and also subscribe to this particular channel. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new content just like this. Thank you for watching this particular video. My name is Henry and I hope to see you in my next video.